How to set a stop loss on Hargreaves Lansdown. A stop loss helps protect your investments by automatically selling when a share drops to a set price. It's a useful tool for risk management, especially if you can't monitor the market all the time. Here's how you can set it up in your Hargreaves Lansdown account. First, log into your Hargreaves Lansdown online account or the mobile app. Search for the stock or fund you want to manage. Once on the investment page, select Sell or Set an Order. Choose Stop Loss Order from the available options. Enter the price at which you want the system to automatically sell your shares. You'll also need to confirm how long the order should stay active, usually good, till canceled or a set time frame. Review your stop loss details carefully. Double-check the investment, the trigger price, and the duration before submitting. Once confirmed, the system will monitor your investment and automatically sell if it falls to your set price. Keep in mind that a stop loss doesn't guarantee the exact sale price. If markets move quickly, the execution could be lower. It's always a good idea to review and adjust your stop loss as markets change. And that's it. That's how you set a stop loss on Hargreaves Lansdown. Thanks for watching.